Okay, now my favorite part. Not that I don't love aromatherapy. I really believe in combining both because with both you have a powerful and amazing benefit and results, more immediate than just using the aromatherapy. So, okay, face reflexology, as I said before, is the stimulation of the face. Now, you can use, and we're going to be using when I demonstrate the 4 or 5 different protocols that you can do to rejuvenate your skin and to wake it up. We'll be using the knuckles and your fingers, but right now I'm going to show you some of the tools that I do have that are my favorites, that are very, very, very effective for doing the stimulation of the face. And I always think like you're gonna kind of get tired of doing this and maybe skip a day. So if you have a tool, you could be sitting and talking to somebody on the phone. You could be watching TV, watching the news, or reading, and you can use your tool. So there's a variety of tools that you can acquire, and these tools actually make it easier for you to, have more consistency than using your knuckles or your fingers. I get tired of using my knuckles and my fingers, but sometimes when I'm somewhere and I need to to have a group picture or something, I want to revive my face, so I do use my knuckles and my fingers. But when I'm at home, I love to use the tools because they're so much easier to manage. I can do it while I am reading, while I'm talking to someone on the phone, or when I'm just on the computer reading something or looking at something. So, how they work is you stimulate the area of concern. And the area of concern actually depends on the placement of the face, of the body on the face. So our bodies are actually superimposed on the face based upon, let me rephrase that. Our bodies are actually superimposed on the face. As an example, this bridge of your nose is your spine, and this is your sacrum, hips, or pelvic area, okay? And this is where your neck is. Your head is here. This is where your shoulders, your elbow, your wrists, and your hands. So if you got the picture on that, that is how you can address the internal issues, or external, as to the shoulders and the neck. That is how you can address the external issues by stimulating.